Agricultural machinery scam has been reported from Belonia subdivision's Bharat Chandra Nagar block. Allegations of involvement in an agricultural machinery scam by selecting anonymous beneficiaries were raised against the Vice Chairman of the Panchayat Samiti of Bharat Chandra Nagar block, the head of NSC Nagar Gram Panchayat. Putul Pal Bishwas, chairman of the Panchayat Samiti of Bharat Chandra Nagar block, was shocked when the incident of irregularities came into limelight. The beneficiaries were being selected anonymously by name and the agricultural equipment was being sold for rupees 10,000. Rumors of widespread irregularities and corruption in the distribution of government subsidized agricultural machinery to the beneficiaries have started to spread in the political arena. Not only that, there are serious allegations of depriving the real beneficiaries out of fake beneficiaries while distributing them machinery in the name of those who have no cultivable land and selling them in the market. On being asked about the matter, including allegations of irregularities and corruption, Bharat Chandra Nagar Panchayat Samiti Chairman Putul Pal Bishwas admitted the truth of the incident. He said that the chairman is being kept in the dark and such irregularities are being investigated. The veracity of the incident has been found. 12 machines for breaking and blowing paddy and 2 machines for weeding were distributed among the beneficiaries from Rajnagar Agri Superintendent's office some time ago. From the PDF of Bharat Chandra Nagar Panchayat Samiti, 4,48,000 rupees were handed over to the Department of Agriculture so that the farmers could get agricultural implements at surplus price. The subsidy provided agricultural machinery to about 14 beneficiaries. As per the rules, after the meeting of the Panchayat Samiti under the chairmanship of all the members of the Samiti, it is decided and the beneficiary are selected and the list is to be sent to the Rajnagar Agricultural Super. Dulal Guha, the chairman of Bharat Chandra Nagar Panchayat Samiti Standing Committee on Agriculture and vice chairman of the Panchayat Samiti, has a major role to play in this. But it has been found that in cases where the signature of the chairman of the Panchayat Samiti itself is mandatory, on the basis of the forward with signature of the vice chairman of the Panchayat Samiti in the application, the beneficiaries are taken. The application of the beneficiaries does not have the signature of the chairman of Rajnagar Panchayat Samiti. The beneficiary application also has the signature of the vice chairman instead of the chairman of the Agricultural Standing Committee of Bharat Chandra Nagar Panchayat Samiti. Each of the 12 rice threshing and blowing machines cost rupees 48,500 each and 2 Krishna Craft power weeders, 4 wheat cleaning machines cost rupees 30,600 each. A total of 14 beneficiaries were distributed the same. But it has been alleged that only 2 out of the 13 panchayats in the Bharat Chandra Nagar Panchayat Samiti area may have been involved in a scam in the selection of these 14 beneficiary names. Not only that, there are multiple beneficiaries who have no agricultural land at all. Among them are close relatives of the officials in the concerned panchayat. These agricultural implements are distributed among the beneficiaries on government subsidy on the basis of the signature of the vice chairman of the concerned Panchayat Samiti, and the signature of the head of the panchayat is not in the beneficiary selection. Meanwhile, last year there were allegations of massive irregularities in distribution of 12 power tillers in the area of Bharat Chandra Nagar Panchayat Samiti at government subsidized prices. After seeing the names of the beneficiaries and taking them to Agartala, they sold them in the open market after taking pictures with the power tillers. After the state agricultural minister and the agricultural department complained about this, an inquiry was ordered into the matter. But it was alleged that the investigation was stopped midway after the senior officials came from the department for the investigation. Bureau Report, Hala Bol.